Hello everyone, welcome to the Tathastu ICS. My name is Srija Garg and I am your economy faculty. We will be discussing question number 4, UPSC CSE Mains 2024 economy portion. So the question talks about the role of millets. Honestly, this would have been an expected question because there was a lot of news that was on millets, especially in 2023, and this was a current affairs based news and the topic was also current affairs based. So I would say that it was a very expected question and it was a very easy one. So they are asking, explain the role of millets for ensuring health and nutritional security in India. So what are the keywords here? The first one is millets. You need to talk about millets. The second is how millets ensures health security. So that will be your first heading in your body, and the second heading would be nutritional security. Okay, and then you can mention the data, the sources, and programs and the mission of India. So let us begin. In the introduction, what I have done is I have written the definition of millet, that they are small seeded, nutrient dense cereal crops from the grass family of Poaceae, known for their drought resistance and ability to thrive in arid regions. Common varieties include ragi, jowar, bajra, which offer high protein, fiber and essential minerals. So in the introduction, I have just mentioned about millets, a small overview of millets. Then I have mentioned one of the news, that is, it was recognized, 2023 was recognized as the International Year of Millets, offering a sustainable solution to global food and nutritional challenges. Okay, so here I have incorporated the current affair. Then the first heading, as I said, health security. Millets helps with millets is nutrient rich. So for example, ragi and jowar, they are very packed with calcium, iron and vitamin B, okay, supporting bone health and preventing anemia. Then the second is prevention of lifestyle diseases with high fiber and a low glycemic index. Millets like foxtail and bajra, they help prevent obesity, diabetes and improve digestion. So I am just telling the health benefits of millets. Then gluten free also, millets such as kodo and barnyard, they provide gluten free alternatives for people with gluten intolerance. And the fourth one is antioxidant content. Many millets like finger millet like ragi, they are rich in antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cardiovascular ailments. तो हमने पहले उसके हेल्थ सिक्योरिटीज लिख दिए. सेकंड आते हैं न्यूट्रिशनल सिक्योरिटी, जैसे कि प्रोटीन एंड माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स. तो मिलेट्स के बारे में अगर आप देखेंगे, बार्नयार्ड और हमारा जो सोरगम यानी कि ज्वार होता है, दे आर रिच इन प्रोटीन एंड माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स सच एज आयरन एंड मैग्नीशियम, addressing malnutrition in rural population. So if the government of India actually aims to encourage more production of millet, then we are kind of targeting the food security and the nutritional security in rural population. Climate resilience, because they thrive in arid regions with minimal water, they ensure food security during droughts as well, as seen in drought prone areas like Rajasthan and Gujarat. Then affordable, they are very cheap, okay, they are affordable and accessible, especially for low income people. So now if they even buy it, then the government increasing, like we are increasingly being included, this is increasingly being included in the public distribution system, that is our PDS system by the government of India. Then the fourth is they also support sustainable agriculture, so they require few resources such as water and fertilizers, so it basically make the crop sustainable and promotes biodiversity, also reduces the environmental biodegradation. So it is not just very important for our nutritional value or health value, it is also very important for environment as well. Okay, certain government initiatives have been taken to encourage the production of millets. For example, PLI for millet based products. Okay, the Nutri Cereal Submission, which was under the National Food Security Mission, Pradhan Mantri Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprise Scheme, Agri Infrastructure Fund Scheme, Millets Awareness Program. There are certain awareness programs also to make people aware about the the nutritional value and the health value of it. Odisha millet mission also. So I mentioned everything here. I've talked about addressed the two parts of the body and also told how government is working towards it. Hence millets not only address the health and nutritional challenges, but they also contribute to climate resilience and sustainable agriculture, making it a very essential part of our India's food security strategy. If we promote this, then we will improve the health of the people as well and also sustainable development, promote sustainable development also. Is this clear? So this was current affairs based question, that is on millets. Okay, so we have discussed 4 questions till now. There were around 8 questions which were asked in the economy portion of UPSC CSE 2024. So if you see, we have covered millets, okay, which was current affairs based, 10 marker. Okay, then we have discussed land reforms, again 10 marker. Okay, so 20 marks. Then we discussed in the last 2 videos, we have discussed high food inflation, again your current affairs, 10 marker. Okay, and the first question that we discussed was basically on the public expenditure on social services. Okay, this was again 10 markers. So till 40 marks of economy has been included till now. There are 4 more questions to be discussed, which will be discussed in the coming up videos. Thank you so much everyone. Have a nice day.